Alrighty guys, sorry for the delay in uploading this video. I was quite busy with some of my projects. So, coming back to the point, in this tutorial we will see how we can add a contact us form with PHP. We've created this link earlier, right? And you remember that this section is coming from the header file. So this link will be available throughout the website wherever we will include this header file. So in this contact us link we need to create a contact us page, and then we'll have a contact us PHP form there. So let's get started with it. We'll open our tutorials including header, footer. So we will start with the offers. I will copy this as save as, and I'll call it contact.php. right, you see I already have a file here called process.php. This is the file that I'm going to attach. I'm not going to tell you what are these in this tutorial, all the PHP code, because you will find lots of tutorials on YouTube and on the websites, different websites, about creating a tutorial on contact us forms. So in this PHP contact us form tutorial, what I will tell you that this file that I have included in the source files, how you can modify it to get your job done quickly and easily. I already have set up some variables and everything for you guys. So from the Bootstrap, let's go to Bootstrap documentation, components, forms, and let's select a form. In Bootstrap they have given, you see that in the Bootstrap 4 we can now have a row and then column sizing, and if we go down I'll show you something very interesting here. See, this is a form tag. It has a row, column, so they both appears side by side. This is same like we set up our grid system in the Bootstrap. Previously it was not there, but now it is there. Right, so you can see you may also swap dot raw class for form row, a variation of our standard grid row that overrides the default column gutters for tighter and more compact layout. So if we use form row, it will reduce the gap, and if we use row, it increases the gap. So let's take this as our sample, copy this from here. We'll remove this section, this center part. Now I'll remove this contact section, this intro section. We will left with body tag only. Alright, contact, and here contact us. So if we go there, or let's create a link, direct link, PHP, and let's change this through offers, and what's that link, offers.php. Now refresh, we see this offers, click on it, we are on our offer page. We have this contact us page accessible from everywhere. Right, now let's give it some space. Close this one. Let's add padding bottom 5. You can add margin bottom as well. For this button we have a class of something which is button.package. So basically my goal is to teach you how you can get your job done quickly and easily as much as possible, because I know sometimes it gets so hectic to keep on looking for tutorials and work on that, and sometimes deadlines are coming close that we need to finish the project. So name, what input fields do we require? First we need name. Okay, this label for tag and id tag must be same. So what this allows us, I'll show you. Name, enter your name, this is placeholder, right? So now it's all name, label, and id tag of this input is the same id. So if I click on name, my cursor will be focused on that particular field, right? So if I'll have password, address, see, everything works as it should. So clicking on label will activate that input field. Okay, so name, let's have email, password, email, enter your email. Alright, address, phone, let's have a field for phone. Plus 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Alright, phone, make it text, keep it email. These are HTML5 tags, right? Delete, I'm going to delete this, I'm going to delete this as well. Now what we are left with, name, email, phone. So phone field, it is quite long, so I don't need it that way. I will just cut it from here and paste it here. Let's copy this from here, paste it. So it cannot be 666, make it 4. Alright, let's see the difference between these gutters. With form, sorry, it should be raw. See, the gutter is no more, have more spacing. Keep it form under dash row. Alright, now we need a message box, right? So that someone can send us a message as well. Where we can find it, I think here it is, example text area. Copy text area, and this we complete like full width. I want message, right? Message, or let's say comments. Let's keep it message. Perfect, I got it as well. So name, email, phone, message. Now to pass them through the PHP form, we have to give them an attribute of name, email, name, message. Now in our process.php, you see I have set up this title and a link to, basically this link will take your user, once they click on they are on the thank you page, they will then, this link will take the user to wherever you want to take them. I have set up this main background color and background image. I have already added a background image and a color. These are variables only. You will only have to change this. For background you can change this link. For color you can change this. Right now I have this, I have said that if submit, right, so I need to give it a class name submit, and submit, make it submit, check this, submit. Now name, email, phone, message, these variables are coming from here, name, email, phone, message, and they all should match each other, should be the same as in here and here, nothing extra or nothing less, until unless you have any conditional statement. Now with that said, we are creating our email message here, and then sending it to headers, email from and everything. Okay, where you want to send it, here you will add email to wherever you would like to send the form, and in email subject, this will be obviously email subject that you will receive in your email inbox. So let's try something. Do we have a required class? No. So if I click on it, what will happen? It takes me nowhere, because in the form tag we need to add action. This tells the form where to look for the particular action, and method is post. Save it, refresh. Let's remove these variables, submit. We are very sorry, but there were error found from you submit email address. See, name, message, these aren't coming there. So this was the PHP error, but we can also add required attributes. This is HTML5's validation. See, every browser acts differently in it. So if let's suppose somebody bypass this without entering any detail, they will be checked with PHP and stop there if they have not fill in the required fields. So let's say developer and 1 2 3 4 7 8 9 10 developer testing message, submit my form. See, here we are, this thank you page, and back to the site. See, this is basically the URL which is here. So to show you, thank you so much, it will ask you if you want to resubmit. See, this is this here and this here. So this is how we can add a quick contact form. You can add and remove the fields as much as you want. I hope this helps you guys. See you in the next video.